Hello everyone, my name is Deirdre Level. I'm going to, in this screencast, I'm going to demonstrate how Kahoot can be used as a format assessment tool in the classroom. What I did, I already logged on, and I'm going to type up here, 8th grade, history. I'm going to put Georgia, I'm sorry. Georgia history. I'm in social study. Okay. This right here gives us a variety of things for the 8th grade to work with. I will also, let's click on the Georgia History 8th grade. Then I'm going to go over here and hit Assignment. I'm going to go ahead and create. This allows the student to have access to this. And then if you notice, it will give you a code for the students to log in. This will, I'm not going to do it right now, but it, like I said, it gives them a chance. This is an example of a short quiz. I could use it during a lesson. The questions are multiple choice and focus on key concept. Like I said, you can see the question. I can choose. Right now, of course, there's no particular participation because no student has logged on. But I will use this as a beginning of a class or toward the end, because like I said, it would give me an idea of what the student knows.